A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back. Yes, how are you all? Fine. Enjoyed your day yesterday? सबने एंजॉय किया कल का संडे? मजा किया? Yes? क्या किया सबने? पूरा दिन सो के निकाला ना आपने और कार्टून देखा है आप लोगों ने? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. कोई भी स्टडी नहीं किया है, सबने कार्टून देखा है, मुझे पता है. Yes. So now I am going to unmute anyone. Okay, Sanvi. And before I start with the lecture, I would like to thanks to all my children, Apurva, Abhiti, Shaurya. Yes. Thank you so much for your wishing. Sanvi, very beautiful greeting card, Sanvi. Thank you so much, children. Yes. Yes, very nice. Okay. So, कल क्या था हमारा टीचर्स डे था ना? Yes. And thank you so much for all your wishes. Yes. So now let's start with our topic today. Yes. So let's start. Yes, Rayan, thank you. Very nice. Very beautiful, Rayan. Very good. Very nice. Yes. Okay. Hansini Himani, thank you so much. Very nice, beta. Abhir want to say something. Okay, wait a minute, Abhir. Yes, Abhir. You can unmute yourself. Yes. Say, beta.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Tata Brahma
Thank you,
Brahma.
everyone.
Guru Deva Mata. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abir. And all my wishes are with you all. सब लोगों को स्टडी करना है, आगे बढ़ना है, टीचर को खुश करना है ना. टीचर को कोई भी गिफ्ट नहीं चाहिए, बस आप लोग स्टडी करो और अच्छे से आगे बढ़ो. ओके? सबको टीचर का बात, पेरेंट्स का बात, आपके मम्मी पापा भी आपके गुरु हैं, उनका भी बात आपको सुनना है. टीचर को कोई भी गिफ्ट नहीं चाहिए, बस आप लोग अच्छे से स्टडी करो और आगे बढ़ो. ओके? टीचर का सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट वही है. Yes, so all are going to study now? Yes? Yes, okay. Yes, Atharva. Yes, Atharva.
Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you to all my children. Love you all. Love you all. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let's start with our today's topic. Yes? Thank you so much, everyone. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, now, so what we are going to learn today? In the previous English lecture, हमने क्या study किया था? Let me ask who is going to give me the answer. Sanskruti will give me the answer. Okay, Sanskruti, what we learned in the last English lecture, do you remember? Do you remember? Sanskruti, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, teacher.
हाँ, so what we learned, हमने क्या study किया था last English lecture में बेटा?
Revision.
क्या?
Revision.
रिवीजन. किस चीज का रिवीजन किया था बेटा हमने? Yes. Yes, Riya, thank you. So, slur, stir, br, हाँ. What are these all? उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Slur, stir. What are these all? Sit nicely first of all. अच्छे से बैठो. Sanskriti, fold your legs. Blending sound. Yes, fold your legs and sit properly. Yes, very good. These all are blending sound. Very good. Consonant blending sound. Very good, Sanskriti. Very nice. Now you can mute yourself, beta. बहुत अच्छे से आंसर दिया है आपने. Okay, now next I'm going to call Ananya Mishra. Ananya Mishra? Yes, Ananya Mishra. Okay, what is in my hand? What is in my hand? क्या है देखो? Flowers. Yes, these are flowers. Very good. I am having a flower in my hand. Very good. And what is this in my hand?
What?
English. Clock. Clock. It is clock, not watch. Say clock. Yes, very good, Ananya. Okay, now you can mute yourself, Ananya. Very nice. Very good. Okay, now Sanvi? Unmute yourself, Sanvi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now, what is the beginning? This flower. When we say flower, which sound can you hear in the beginning?
FL.
FL. So, what is the sound for FL?
Floor.
Fleur. And when I say clock, which sound can you hear?
Clock.
Cla. Very good. That is CL. Very nice, Sanvi. Very good. Okay, now you can mute yourself. Okay, Hansini, Himani, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now, Hansini, Himani, can you give me more example from FL word? FL, fleur. Can you give me more example? Sina, what is this? What is this?
Fly.
Fly. Yes, it is a fly. Makhi. Yes or no? So when I say fly, see, which sound can you hear in the beginning? When I say fly, which sound?
Floor.
Fleur sound. Yes, we can hear the sound for fleur. Fleur, fleur, fly. Okay. Now here I'm having something in my hand. What is this? What are these?
Clip.
Clip. These are clips. Okay. Now when I say clip, clip, which sound can you hear?
CL.
Very good. CL, class sound. Very good. Very nice. And here, see, I'm having something in my hand. What are these?
Cloud. Cloud.
Cloud. Very good, Himani. Cloud. These are cloud. Okay. Sorry, Hansini na. Hansini ne answer diya tha. Yes. Okay. Himani. Yes. Now, when I say cloud, okay, when I say cloud, which sound can you hear in the beginning?
Cloud.
Cla sound. Very good. Very nice. Very good, both of you. Now, both of you mute yourself. Yes, very good. So, children, today we will be learning the blending sound for CL, cla, and FL, fla. Okay. So, I have shown you so many objects. Yes. So, in this way, in your surrounding, you can see so many things, so many objects. Yes or no? And when you name them, you can hear the blending sounds. Yes. टीचर ने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में भी दिखाया था ब्रेड ब्रश यस और नो ट्री ट्रेन ट्रक ग्रेप्स तो हम ये सब जब ऑब्जेक्ट्स के नेम कॉल आउट करते हैं तो हमें ब्लेंडिंग साउंड भी सुनाई देता है यस सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर टुडेस टॉपिक एंड टुडेस टॉपिक इज consonant blend for CL and FL. So now we are going to learn some more words, okay, related to CL and FL blending sound. So here is your today's document. Yes. Wait a minute. Yes. So today we will be learning the consonant blends for CL and FL sound. Which sound? CL and FL sound. Yes. So now let's start. Yes. So everyone, all have to say with me. What is blend? A blend is two letters. A blend is two letters put together. Put together. You can hear sound for both the letters. Yes or no? When we put two blend consonant letters together, when we put two consonant letters together, we can hear sound for both the letters. See here, C, L. When we put C and L together, we can hear the sound for which sound? कौन सा sound सुनाई देता है हमें? K and L. When we put together, we can hear the sound for kl. Yes or no? Kl. Yes. And when I put sw and L together, and L together, which sound can I hear? That is fl sound. Which sound? Fl sound. Yes. CL, kl. And FL, fl. Yes. Yes. Now coming to the next. Okay, so now I'm going to unmute today. Which roll numbers? I'm going to unmute today roll number 8 till 14. Yes or no? So now let's see. Okay, who is roll number 8? Sonam Gupta and Arohi Kharge. Are you both present? I think Arohi is absent today. Okay, Sonam Gupta, are you present today? Yes. Sonam, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, now you have to read the words. जो words वहाँ पे दिया है ना screen पे, आपको वो बोलना है. Okay? चलो. Now what can you see this? Which blending sound?
Clock.
Cl. Very good. C and L is cl. Now C and L से आपको कौन से objects pictures दिखाई दे रहे हैं? See, what can you get from C and L? What is this? The first one.
Clock.
Picture कौन सा है? देखो. Recognize the picture.
Clock.
Yes. And now, Sonam, when I say clock, जब हम clock बोलते हैं तो हमें starting में कौन सा blending sound सुनाई देता है? Sonam, in the beginning of the word, आपको क्या सुनाई देता है? जब हम clock बोलते हैं तो आपको starting में कौन सा blending sound सुनाई देता है, Sonam?
CL.
CL, yes. Now see, what is this? ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
Clock.
हम क्या कर रहे हैं? टीचर क्या कर रहे हैं? बताओ मुझे. Clap. Yes. See, children. So when we clap, we can hear the sound for clap, 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 clap. See here. Yes, everyone clap. Everyone clap. Yes, when we clap, we can hear the blending sound for clap. Yes, very good. Now, Sonam, who is he? Recognize this picture, Sonam.
Clown.
क्लाउन. यस, आपको बहुत स्टडी करना है सोनम. एक तो आप लेक्चर्स लेट ज्वाइन किए हो ना बेटा, तो आपको बहुत हार्ड मेहनत करना होगा. आपको स्टडी डेली स्टडी करना है. यस और नो, आप स्टडी करोगे क्या? नहीं.
Yes.
यस, तो आपको डेली प्रैक्टिस करना है. रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग दोनों का आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, इट इज क्लाउन. नाउ सोनम, जब हम क्लाउन, व्हेन वी से क्लाउन, आपको कौन सा साउंड सुनाई देता है बेटा क्लाउन के अंदर?
Clock.
क्ल साउंड. वेरी गुड. और कहाँ पे सुनाई देता है? स्टार्टिंग में, बिगनिंग में या एंड में, लास्ट में सुनाई देता है आपको? देखो, वर्ड के पहले है या वर्ड के लास्ट में है, आखिरी में है, कहाँ पे है क्ल का साउंड? इन द बिगनिंग. वेयर? इन द बिगनिंग. ओके सोनम, you have to practice a lot. Okay, now you can mute yourself. Okay, here I am going to unmute. Next, wait a minute. Ishita Dalal, unmute yourself, Ishita.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now you can see some words. आपको pictures दिखाई दे रहे हैं. चलो फटाफट read करो. Read the pictures.
C L O C K.
हाँ, what is that? Clock. Yes. So when I say clock, which sound can you hear? When I say clock, which sound can you hear?
Bing.
कौन सा साउंड सुनाई देता है? आप जब क्लॉक बोलोगे बेटा, तो आपको कौन सा साउंड सुनाई देता है क्लॉक में?
CL.
Yes, CL. Cl. Now what is this? See, what are these? आपके पास होगा ना ये? आप अपने बालों में लगाते हैं? See, I am also having here. Yes, these are clips. Yes, these are clips. Very good.
I N.
Yes, see, so many clips are there. These are clips. This is also clip. So there are different clip. Yes. So when we say clip, we can hear the sound for club. Very good, Ishita. Very good. Now you can mute yourself, beta. Very nice. Yes, CL sound. Very good, Ishita. बहुत अच्छे से आपने read किया है. Okay. Now you can mute yourself. Now here I am going to call the next roll number. That is roll number 9. Antara Maske and Shravani, right? So Shravani, are you present? Antara, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Antara. Which blending sound can you see on the screen?
Club.
क्ल, yes, CL क्ल. और CL क्ल के बाद में टीचर ने कौन सा ब्लेंडिंग साउंड बताया था आपको? CL क्ल के बाद में
Clap.
क्लैप. और एक ब्लेंडिंग साउंड. व्हाट इज दिस इन माय हैंड? ये क्या है मेरे हाथ में?
Flower.
फ्लावर. सो अंतरा, व्हेन आई से फ्लावर, कौन सा ब्लेंडिंग साउंड सुनाई देता है फ्लावर में आपको?
Flow. Flow.
फ्ल, फ्ल. नाउ अंतरा, कैन यू गिव मी वन वर्ड फ्रॉम फ्ल? आप फ्ल से मुझे एक वर्ड बता सकते हो
Flow.
जिसमें फ्ल आता है?
Flow.
फ्ल, फ्ल, FL, FL, नॉट फ्र. FL से कोई भी एक वर्ड बताओ. FL से कैन यू गिव मी अ वर्ड? Yes, children. From FL. See here. I'm going to show you. Wait a minute. I'm going to show you the words. So here on the screen, you can find the words from. Which blending sound is this, Antara? कौन सा blending sound है ये?
FL.
Yes. अभी FL से देखो कितने सारे words है ना यहाँ पे. चलो. What is this?
Flag.
Yes, flag. See, when you say flag, जब आप flag बोलते हो तो आपको कौन सा blending sound सुनाई देता है? Which blending sound can you hear?
Flow.
Fleur. And where can you hear that blending sound? In the beginning or at the end?
Beginning.
Yes, beginning. Yes, beginning. Wait a minute.
Happy
Yes, in the
Teacher's
beginning.
Day, teacher.
Thank you so much, Antara. Okay, now next वाला picture identify करो. Next picture. What is the next picture?
Teachers.
Hmm? See here.
Cockroach.
Not cockroach. ध्यान से देखो क्या है. हंसिनी हिमानी ने बताया था ना. What is that? हंसिनी हिमानी ने अभी बताया था वो पिक्चर. FLY. FLY क्या होता है? रीड. FLY.
FLY.
Fly. क्या
Fly.
है? Fly. Yes. And when we say fly, we can hear the sound for fluff. Yes. Fluff, fluff. Fly. Yes. Now what is this, Antara? किसके पास होता है ये? क्या है वो? देखो, आपने कहीं पे देखा है ये? किसके पास होता है ये? Flute. Yes, it is a flute. Yes, flute, basuri. Yes or no? So when I say flute, I can hear the sound for FL blending. Which blending sound? FL. Yes, very good, Antara. Now you can mute yourself. Very nice, you have tried. बहुत अच्छे से आपने read किया है. Okay. Now next I am going to call. Next, I think Shravani is absent. So next roll number. सानवी एंड अनन्या बोथ आर डन. मैंने दोनों को क्वेश्चन पूछा है. नाउ अभिति एंड ईशान. ओके अभिति, आर यू देयर? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अभिति. यस अभिति, unmute yourself. And yes, very good, and thank you so much for your greeting. Thank you so much. Yes. Now Abhiti, which blending sound is this? Yes. अब ये कौन सा blending sound है मुझे पता? Thank you so much. Now मुझे बताओ ये कौन सा blending sound है स्क्रीन पे? Yes. And what is the sound for FL? Fleur. Very good. Now, which pictures can you find over here? आपको कौन से pictures दिखाई दे रहे? चलो बताओ फटाफट.
बताओ, स्पेलिंग रीड करो.
F
Hmm.
L Y
हाँ, FLY. Fly. Okay, FLY. Fly. Okay. And now here, this one.
फ्लूट.
F L U T E float.
हाँ, FLUTE. 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 Flute मतलब बांसुरी. Yes, very good. And this one?
Rose.
फ्लावर.
Huh?
Flower.
Flower. Yes, very good. Flower. And what is this?
फ्लैग.
Flag.
Flag. Yes. So when I say flower, flute, flag and fly, जब मैं ये चारों वर्ड बोलती हूँ तो मुझे कौन सा ब्लेंडिंग साउंड सुनाई देता है? Which blending sound can I hear? Abhiti? Fla blending sound. Very good. Now you can mute yourself. Okay, Shravya? Unmute yourself, Shravya. Yes. So today, which blending sound we have learned? हमने कौन सा blending sound study किया है आज? Flow and see what is in my hand. What is this? Can you see? Yes, Shravya. टीचर के हाथ में क्या है? हाँ, क्या है? देखो ये.
Watch.
नहीं, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Clock. What do we call? Clock.
Clock.
Okay. Now when I say clock, so which blending sound can I hear? Which blending sound?
Clock.
Cla. Very good. CL. Cla. Okay, Shravya, can you give me one word from FL blending sound? FL blending sound से मुझे एक word दे सकते हो आप? देखो आपके बुक में होगा. Find and give me any word from FL. See in your book, everyone. Look in your book and give me one blending from fla.
Fly.
Fly. And can you find flask in your book? Everyone keep your finger. Everyone keep your finger. हाँ, flask, flask. FLASK, flask. Flask के ऊपर finger रखो सब लोग. Everyone keep your finger on flask. FLASK, flask. Yes. Have you find flask? मिला आपको? Yes. FLASK, flask. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Now you can mute yourself, Shravya. Yes. And one more thing, children. Where you all are sitting? आप सब लोग कहाँ पे बैठे हो? You all are sitting on floor. आप लोग floor के ऊपर बैठे हो? Yes. All are sitting on floor. So what is the spelling for floor? FLOOR. Floor. So when I say floor, we can hear the blending sound for floor. Fluff, fluff, floor. Fluff, fluff, floor. Yes. So we all are sitting on floor. Yes. Now it's time to solve the worksheet. So here I'm going to call the next roll number. That is Ishan. Ishan, unmute yourself, Ishan. Yes, Ishan, unmute yourself. Yes.
Teacher.
Okay, now Ishan, you have to circle the picture that begins with the given consonant blend. Okay? Shravya, don't raise your hand, beta. Whatever you want to say, just type in the chat box. Yes, wait a minute. Huh? Now I'm going to share the pen with. Yes, FL sound and CL sound. Fl and cl. Now I have shared the pen with you. मैंने आपके साथ में पेन शेयर किया है. You have to circle the correct picture for the given blend. Okay? Name the picture and circle. Name the picture. Yes, FL, fly, fluff, fluff, fly. Very good. And from CL, from claw, what is that? Name the picture. Name the picture. क्या है पिक्चर और नेम करो. Name the picture. Clown, cluck, cluck, clown. Clown बोलते हैं बेटा. Clown, clown. Okay, now Ishan, can you give me any word from CL blending sound? CL blending sound से आप मुझे word दे सकते हो. So look in your book and give me a word from clock and one more word. चलो और एक word दो. Yes. Clap. Yes. Cluck, cluck, clap. Very good. And now from FL. FL blending sound से मुझे word दो. FL blending sound से.
fly.
Fly. And one more word.
Fly.
Fly के बाद और एक word दो.
Flower.
Fluff, fluff, flower. Very good, Ishan. Very nice. And this is a star for you. Okay, now you can mute yourself. A star for all my children. Yes, now you can mute yourself. Okay, now next I'm going to call Rudra Bhagat. Next roll number 12, Rudra Bhagat and Dolcy. Okay? So Dolcy and Ruth both are present or no? Yes, Ruth and Dolcy. Okay, Dolcy, unmute yourself.
Yes.
And
Happy Teacher's Day.
thank you so much. And Rudra Bhagat, unmute yourself. Okay, now Ruth, yes. Okay, first I'm going to ask Dolcy. Okay, Dolcy, which blending sound we have learned today? आज कौन सा blending sound हमने study किया है? Yes, Dolcy. Loudly, I'm not able to hear.
CL.
Yes, CL. What is the sound for CL? CL का sound क्या है? CL का sound बताओ बेटा.
Clap.
Clap. Okay, Rudra, give me word from CL blending sound. Rudra, मुझे CL blending sound से एक word दो. Rudra. CL clock, 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 and one more.
Cloud.
Cloud. Yes, when we say cloud, we can hear the sound for cloud. Okay, Dolcy. Now what is this? Which blending sound is this, Dolcy?
F. L. Floor.
L. What is the sound for? Yes, floor. Now Rudra, give me word from floor. Give me word from floor blending sound.
L. Flower.
F L flower. Okay, and one more.
मैडम आप किसको पूछ रहे हो?
Dolcy and Rudra.
और एक बच्चे का चालू है.
Rudra and Dolcy both. Yes, I'm asking Rudra and Dolcy both.
Rudra and Dolcy both.
Not
It's
Rudra.
getting flashed, madam.
No.
Voice is
I
getting.
can hear. No. I can hear sound for both. Yes.
You answer.
Yeah.
F.
Yes. F L. Floor. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Okay, Rudra, you can mute yourself. And now Ruth. Roll number 13. Na Ruth. Okay. Now Ruth. And here I'm going to unmute. Next, that is Sparsh. Ruth and Sparsh. Okay, Sparsh, unmute yourself. Okay, now I'm going to share the pen. Ruth and Sparsh, you have to match the correct picture for the given blending sound. Okay,
Madam,
Only
Ruth
Ruth and
cannot do
Sparsh.
on laptop. Pen is not.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, Sparsh, you match the pictures. Ruth is going to see whether it is right or wrong. Only Sparsh is going to match.
He's matching
Okay?
whether it is right. Okay.
Ishita, stop. Yes, Sparsh. Sanchi, hands down. Okay, now, Ruth, whether this pictures he have matched is correct or no. Whether the pictures Sparsh have matched is correct or no.
Correct.
See, correct. How? Say me. Now see here. Wait a minute, huh? Sparsh, wait. Now Sparsh has matched this. What is this? Yes? Clap. Yes, very good. Clap. Okay, now this one.
Look.
Flute. This is flute. Flute.
Flute.
Yes. Flute. Very good. Flute. Now, look here. This one.
Flower.
Flower. Yes. Flower. Very good. And last, what is remaining? What is remaining? See, what is remaining now? Which picture is remaining, Ruth?
Time.
See, what is this?
Time.
Clock. It is clock. When I say clock, I can hear the blending sound for clock. Okay? Yes? Okay, very good. Ruth and Dulcie, very nice. Now both of you mute yourself. Yes, very good. Welcome. Yes, now you can mute yourself. Okay. Now here, last, Smearal and Sparsh. Sparsh, आपने म्यूट कर दिया बेटा. Okay, Smearal, unmute yourself, and Sparsh Divekar, unmute yourself. Both of you, Smearal and Sparsh. Yes. Okay. Now everyone, open your textbook. Fast. Open your textbook, page number 3737. So Smearal, which blending sound we have learned today? Smearal, cl and which blending sound? सिर्फ क्ल पढ़ा है हमने आज. CL और दूसरा कौन सा blending sound पढ़ा है?
Yes.
C. Fleur. Yes, fleur and fleur. Okay. Sparsh, what is today's date? 6. Okay. So we are going to complete only till here. Children, today we have learned the cl and fleur blending sound. So today we will be completing only these 4 words. Okay. And today's date is 6-9-21. Everyone write today's date. Okay, Smearal, what is this? Clock. So which blending sound we are going to write over there? Cla. How do we write cla? Say the spelling for cla.
CL.
Yes, CL. Okay, Sparsh, what is this?
Cloud.
Fly. हाँ? क्या है देखो वो? क्या है वो? Which picture? Fly. Okay, so when I say fly, which blending sound can we hear?
FL.
FL. What is the sound for FL?
Flow.
Fleur. Very good. Smearal, what is this?
Cloud.
हाँ क्या है देखो बेटा, टीचर ने कौन सा वाला टिक मार्क किया है? दिस वन.
Fly.
ये वाला बेटा.
Flower.
हाँ, flower. So when I say flower, which blending sound can I hear?
Flow. L.
Yes, FL, flower. Okay, now Sparsh.
Yes, teacher.
Now see teacher ने क्या circle किया है?
Cloud.
Cloud. So when you say cloud, what can you hear?
CL.
And what is the sound for CL? Club. Very good, Smiral and Sparsh. Very nice. Okay, children, now fast complete your book. Everyone, write these letter words in your book. Fast. Okay, now Smiral and Sparsh, mute yourself. Yes, very good, everyone. Welcome. Okay, chalo. If you all have done, yes, just type a Y in the chat box. I'm just going to check your books. If everyone have done with your work, today we are going to write only CL and FL because we have learned only CL and FL sound. Okay. In the next lecture, we will be doing the next two remaining blending sound, that is TL and GL. Okay. Now next, this is the homework. Everyone just take a screenshot for the same. In your practicing letters book, page number 26, 26 and 27, you have to complete. And in your notebook, teacher has already given you the words for CL and FL. Okay, so you have to complete the same. So this is your homework. Just take the screenshot. In your practicing letters book, page number 26, 26 and 27, 27. Okay, you have to complete that. And in your notebook also. Okay. Now, thank you. Yes.